Hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome back to Pearl TV. At ayan guys, gabi na natapos si Ma'am Shi sa paglilinis ng bahay. Sabi ko nga kay Mr. ko, ako, partial general cleaning. Paunti-unti guys, kasi talagang natambakan ako ng gawaing bahay. Dahil di ba nung uminit yung panahon, sobrang hindi ko kaya maglinis sa gabi. And then, ayun, natambakan na tayo. So ngayon wala na akong work. Sige, karirin ko yan araw-araw hanggang linisan yung bahay, talaga ng bonggang-bongga. Para na kasi kaming basurahan. Si Shasha kasi, pag may mga drawing siya, sa ang gilid, isusuksok yung coupon band, papel, drawing niya, kalat talaga grabe. Plus, yung gulo-gulo ng bahay. So ngayon, paunti-unti, ayusin ko. And, kakantahan ko kayo ng The Carpenters. Maglilibang si Ma'am Shi. Yan. Sound check. You are the one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Yours is the voice that wakes my mornings and sends me out into the day. You are the crowd that sits quiet, listening to me and all the nonsense that I made. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it all true, how could anyone be more to me than you? Sorry if sometimes I look past you. There's no one beyond your eyes. Inside my head, wheels are turning. Hey, sometimes I'm not so wise. You are my heart and my soul, my inspiration. This like your love song goes. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anyone be more to me than you? Thank you so much guys for watching ng paglibang-libang si Ma'am Shi. Bye! I hope you would love to give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell. God bless!